So, hi all. So, today we'll be studying about the decision tree. Okay, till now, what we have done, we have finished about SRS template and then functional requirement, non functional requirement, okay, goals of implementation. Then we have now decision tree. What is actually decision tree? Decision tree, as name suggests, it is a tree like structure will be there and it will be a graphical representation. Okay, it will be a graphical representation of what? Of the decisions and the actions taken for certain software. Okay, समझ में आई बात? Or see what is written here. Decision tree gives a graphical view or graphic view of processing logic. से सिमिलर लॉजिक यहाँ पर हम कंडीशंस को भी बोल सकते हैं. Logic involved in decision making or the conditions involved in decision making and the corresponding actions taken based on those logic or conditions. What are the actions taken? So it is a graphical representation of what? Of the logic and the actions taken. Okay, now see the edges of this decision tree representing the conditions or the decisions. ठीक है, and the leaf nodes will be representing the certain actions based on those conditions. What are the action which will be taken? Those will be represented by the leaf nodes. Okay, so now let's see with the help of example how the decision tree is made. We'll see with the help of example. Let's suppose we have an example that is LMS or library membership automation software. ठीक है, let's suppose we have three options under this. तीन चीजें हैं इसके अंदर: new member, renewal and then cancel membership. New member means uh, the person who is not having any membership of that library software till now, but he wants or she want to become a new member of your LMS software. That will be a new member option. For that purpose, new member option will be there. Renewal means the person is already having your registration or already a membership of your LMS, but it is expiring. So what the person wants, so the person wants to renew it again. Okay, we can simply say renew it, not again. Okay, ठीक है. And last one is cancel membership. It means person is already a membership, or person has already taken a membership of your LMS, but he is not uh, happy with your LMS software, so he or she want to cancel his or her membership. Okay, these are the things, or these are the options, which three options will be available, will be, or we can say are available in this example. ठीक है, न्यू मेंबर, रिन्यूअल एंड देन कैंसिल मेंबरशिप. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं हम न्यू मेंबर ऑप्शन. इस ऑप्शन में क्या होगा? दो चीज़ें होंगी, दोनों को ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है हमें. कौन कौन सी चीज़ें होंगी? दोनों कंडीशंस एंड एक्शंस, और डिसीजंस और एक्शंस. कंडीशन डिसीजन एक ही चीज़ है. ठीक है, so whenever the new member option is selected by any person in your LMS software or in our LMS software, so what will be the things which will be asked by the software, or which the software should ask from the person are: न्यू मेंबर के लिए मेंबर नेम, member address, phone number, extras. So based on these are the condition, or based on these decisions, what will be the action will be taken place? The membership number will be generated, and with the also showing the expiry date of the membership. ये चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. प्लस और क्या होगा? जो भी मेंबरशिप की सर्टेन ड्यूरेशन के लिए जो भी बिलिंग अमाउंट है, वो अमाउंट भी डिस्प्ले होगी. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द प्रॉपर एक्शंस which will be taken for the new member decision. ठीक है, देखो, इफ प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन इज इंटर्ड देन मेंबरशिप रिकॉर्ड डेटाबेस में क्रिएट होगी, मेंबरशिप रिकॉर्ड फॉर द मेंबर इज क्रिएटेड एंड द बिल इज प्रिंटेड फॉर द एनुअल मेंबरशिप चार्ज प्लस द सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट पेबल। जो भी चीज़ें पेबल होंगी वो सारी चीज़ें आ जाएंगी, मेंबरशिप रिकॉर्ड क्रिएट हो जाएगी, मेंबरशिप नंबर जनरेट हो जाएगा। ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट वन इज renewal option. For the renewal option, LMS should ask for the member's name and his membership number only, because membership record is already available in the LMS, so they can verify it and then check whether it is a valid member or not. If it is a valid member, then what is the option selected is renewal. So what it means, it will see if the membership is valid, then expiry date is updated, or एंड द बिल इज़ प्रिंटेड, यही होगा। अगर एक्सपायर हो चुका है ऑलरेडी तो, या फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट विल बी चेकिंग मेंबरशिप नंबर इज़ प्रेजेंट in the records or not. If the membership number is present, then the expiry date should be updated and the remaining the bill will be generated. Okay, if the membership record is not available, it will display the error message. Okay, then the last option is cancel membership option. In this what happens, it means कौन cancel करा सकता है, the one who is already a member of your LMS. ठीक है, same thing will be asked for, decision will be same, membership member's name and membership number will be provided or will be asked by the LMS, and the action will be taken as, it will be deleting the membership record from the database, and the remaining billing amount as a check, or remaining billing amount will be generated or printed. ठीक है, सो ये एग्जाम्पल है, इसको समझ गए होगे अच्छे से आई थिंक। लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल बी डिस्प्लेड इन द graphical manner. See now, actually this is whole example which is displayed. कभी भी इससे related question आएगा तो I think these all details will be given, and you have to just draw the decision tree or decision table. Decision table भी हम लोग इसके just बाद पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, so now see, yeah, this is the decision tree. यूज़र आउटपुट, यूज़र क्या आउटपुट दे रहा है, इट मीन यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज मत हो ना, एक्चुअली यूज़र्स आउटपुट, based on the user's output, the everything will be done by the LMS, and the user's output will be working as a input for the LMS. Okay, if it is a valid selection, it means either membership number is already present और न्यू मेंबर के लिए भी चेकिंग होगी, न्यू मेंबर। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले वैलिडिटी चेक होगी। इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट वैलिड और इनवैलिड ऑप्शन इज सेलेक्टेड, तीनों में से एक ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना है। इफ invalid selection is opted, what will happen, it will display simply the error message. If it is a valid, then are three options: new member, renewal and then cancellation. New member में क्या होगा, it is asked for the name, address and everything, and it will generate the membership record, membership bills और सब कुछ कर देगा। ये actions है। See, these edges are the decisions or the conditions, whereas these leaf nodes are the what, actions. Okay, so these are the actions and this is the decision or the condition. I think you can easily draw this decision tree for this example. For this क्या किसी कोई भी एग्जाम्पल आ जाए आप इजीली ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं डिसीजन ट्री फ्रॉम नाउ। ठीक है, रिन्यूअल ऑप्शन के लिए क्या पूछा जाएगा, दैट विल क्या एक्शन होगा, दिस इज दीज आर द एक्शंस। आस्क फॉर मेंबरशिप डिटेल, अपडेट द एक्सपायरी डेट। ओके, कैंसिलेशन के लिए मेंबरशिप डिटेल डिलीट कर देगा, प्रिंट चेक। दीज आर द एक्शंस एक्चुअली। ओके, आई थिंक इट शुड बी क्लियर नाउ। इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क। ठीक है, ओके, so these are the edges who are describing about the decisions or the options or the conditions. ठीक है, these are the nodes which are describing about the decisions or actions. Decisions and actions will be here, conditions options will be here. Okay, I think it's clear now. From in the next video we will be discussing about the decision table. Okay, thank you everyone.